Aradillo, CPA ako, but full-time ko ginawa ang lifestyles business for more than 20 years now. But before I proceed with the business plan, let me tell you first the big picture of this presentation. The business is just part of building assets. Yes, kami dito, we are asset builders. And makita mo later bakit importante maging asset builder. So first question, familiar ka na ba sa assets? Assets are anything that put money into your pocket, working or not working. So common examples niyan, rentals or pension. So why building assets is important? Bakit importante siya? Para when the body gets sick or tired, meron pa rin tayong income kasi bills don't stop eh. So question, paano natin i-build yung assets? By using the asset building program. Itong program na to has 3 phases. May booklet to. Phase 1, have a business for seed money to build assets. Phase 2, build assets na. Third phase, earn passive income and be free. Okay, so yun lang. Pero may booklet yan to know the details of it. So ready ka na ba sa first phase natin? So again, the first step is magnegosyo para sa seed money natin. At ang business na ipakita ko is not grocery or pharmacy or piggery. These are old school na kasi. No? But ipakita ko sa inyo is the business growing wellness industry, which you can also do online. So ito na talaga ang magandang business ngayon, online plus wellness pa. Okay, so pakita ko. First slide ko. Okay, so introduce ko yung company namin. Ito yung company profile, Lifestyles. Lifestyles yung name ng company namin and it is an international corporation, hindi siya local. So based siya in Canada. Founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada. And present in more than 30 countries. Imagine, no? Many countries in Asia, in Europe, of course in America, Canada. And all products are manufactured by Lifestyles in Canada. No? So manufacturer tayo. Proud kami dito dahil Lifestyles talaga ang manufacturer. No, Lifestyles is not just a marketing arm or wholesaler or retailer. Kasi 'di ba, most of the company that other people joined, marketing arm lang yung company nila or parang retailer lang yung company nila. But tayo talaga yung manufacturer, ginawa sa Canada, no repacking or rebottling in the Philippines. And more than 30 years of proven success. Grabe no, more than 30 years na si Lifestyle. So hindi siya fly-by-night company. Karamihan sa na-close kasi na company, less than 5 to 10 years lang in existence. Excited lang sa umpisa, then nawala. Pero tayo, more than 30 years na and in 30 countries. Stable talaga and malaki yung company natin. Ano pa? Proud member of the Rec Selling Association. Yes, member tayo sa DSA. So legit na legit tayo. Okay? So next. So ito yung natin, problem. Ano yung problem natin? No? So kaya tayo nagtatagal no? Kasi 30 years na tayo, di ba? And getting stronger. Nagtatagal tayo because we are solving problems. Sabi nga nila, a business that lasts is the business that solve problems. So, meron kasing real demand ang product natin. Like ako, bibili talaga ako ng products kahit wala pa siyang business. So, hindi siya uso-uso lang or trending kasi hinahanap talaga ng tao. No? So, ito yung problem natin. Ano ba yung problem natin? Ang problem natin yung modern lifestyle natin. At ang modern lifestyle natin is giving us modern disease. Ano ba yung mga modern diseases ngayon? Like cancer, diabetes, arthritis, wala naman yan dati eh. But because of our modern lifestyle, it's giving us modern disease. So ano ba itong mga modern lifestyle natin? These are related to unhealthy eating habits. Yes, di ba? Yung natin ngayon, mga pagkain natin ngayon, mga fast foods na tayo. Di ba? Matamis na or maalat. Yung kitchen natin, di talaga pwede. Walang oil yan. Di ba? So ano pa? Part of modern lifestyle natin is lack of exercise. Dahil modern na tayo, meron na mga car, remote control, washing machine. So hindi na tayo naka-exercise, tsaka busy din tayo. Ano pa? Stress, no? Sabi nga ng doktor, 80% of the admittance sa doctor are stress-related. Mga family stress, financial stress, daming stress, work stress. Ano pa? Environmental pollution. Part din to sa modern lifestyle natin. Dati wala namang usok dahil walang cars and factories. Ngayon, dami na. So yan, no? So ano ba yung solution? So ito na yung solution natin. Since modern diet and today's lifestyle are not conducive to optimal health, nutritional supplements can help us achieve and maintain optimal health. So, nag-provide ng solution ang company natin, yung lifestyle nag-produce a full line of natural source premium quality products to help today's challenge. Maganda pa dito with 30-day money back guarantee, no? So, importante talaga to yung money back guarantee. Kasi meron nga kaming mga nakausap dito, ayaw nila kasi mga supplements, wala daw effect. Sabi namin, no, sa mga na-try mo, ma'am, meron ba silang money back? Sabi nila wala daw. So, bumili sila. No? So, napaka-importante ito sa akin talaga when I started. Kasi gina-guarantee ang satisfaction ng customers natin. And later, makita mo bakit confident na confident yung company magbibigay ng money back guarantee. Okay, so ano ba mga products natin? So, ito yung mga products natin. Pinaka-flagship product natin is Intra. No? So, Intra. Ano ba si Intra? Unique formulation. Unique na unique ang formulation dito. Available lang ni Lifestyle. Sila lang nag-manufacture dito. And safe for all ages to. Kahit babies, kahit pregnant women, pwede mag-take ng Intra. No? And taken by millions of people na to in more than 30 countries. So safe na safe. Masarap. It tastes like iced tea. Gustong-gusto ng mga bata. Wala pang overdosage. At marami nagtatanong, ano daw yung function ni Intra? No? Ang main function ni Intra is detoxifier. Yes, detoxifier siya. It's a detox product. Kasi yung fish na kain natin, merong formalin. Yung mga fruits and vegetables, merong pesticides and herbicides. No, mga body pollution yon. Carbon monoxide naman sa mga sasakyan. Chlorine sa tubig natin. So yun, body pollution yun. At pabayaan natin, it may lead to disease and aging. Kaya kailangan talaga natin na i-detox natin yan. And Intra can help you do that. Ano pa? Ano pang function ni Intra? So ano pa siya? Supports healthy cardiovascular system. No, napaka-importante nito sa health heart natin. Kasi yung yung best friend ko, yung husband niya heart attack. So kailangan ng heart bypass, kailangan daw ng 1.5 million. Wala silang 1.5 million. Marami silang Intra. So nag-take ang husband 1 bottle a day, di ba? Walang overdosage. After 7 days, 1 bottle a day, na-transfer siya from coronary care unit to ordinary room. And after 27 days, nakalabas yung husband niya without heart bypass. And that was more than 10 years ago. Thank God, healthy yung husband niya. Ano pang function ni Intra? Digestive aids. Dati, lang ako, once and every 3 days ang success ko. Pero ngayon, success na success every day sa CR. Okay, ano pa? Energy boosters, no? Energy booster. Ito, palagi kang pagod ba during the day? Tapos tama naman yung tulog mo. Pag ganyan ka, kailangan mo talaga yung Intra. No, like ako, if kulang ang tulog ko, like past 12 midnight na ako matulog, inom ako ng Intra before going to bed. Para pagising ko, parang full sleep pa rin ako. Fresh na fresh ang feeling ko. Tapos pag mag-abroad kami, sa plane pa lang, mag-take kami ng maraming Intra. Wala talagang jet lag. No? So, ano pa? So, ang daming function ni Intra, balances hormones, no? So, yung sister ko, siya yung nag-introduce ng Intra sa akin. Sabi niya na wala daw ang dysmenorrhea niya. Tapos yung sister-in-law ko, once and every, in a year, lang siya mag-menstruate, 5 times lang siya mag-menstruate in a year. So, hindi siya nagkaanak. So, nag-intra siya, na-balance yung hormones niya. Ngayon, 2 ng anak niya. Tapos, yung isa ko namang friend, may ovarian cyst siya. Gusto niya magkaanak, hindi siya nagkaanak dahil sa cyst. Nag-take siya ng Intra, nawala yung ovarian cyst. Ngayon, nagkaanak siya, 2 yung anak niya. So, grabe talaga. No? Intra helps balance our hormones. No? Ano pa? Supports nervous and skeletal system. Ako in my 30s, may arthritis na ako. Ngayon, wala na. Antioxidants. Napaka-importante ang antioxidants in aging process natin. It delays aging process ang antioxidants. And Intra is rich in antioxidants. because it is rich in phytonutrients, and you can never find phytonutrients in fish, in meat, in pork, in chicken, but intra is rich in antioxidants. Ano pa? Immune supporters, no? So ano ba to? Ang intra kasi para sa lahat ng sakit, no? Arthritis, mga lupus, goiter, hika, kasi at ano pa, no? Maraming sakit talaga. Kasi hindi naman si intra ang nagpagaling eh, but our immune system na naging healthy with intra. Intra is giving us proper nutrition to our body, which hindi na natin makuha from ordinary diet kasi mostly fast foods na tayo, mga salty foods na tayo. And most of the time, yun nga, poor ang diet natin, kaya poor din ang immune system natin. Plus meron pang pollution, wala pa tayong exercise, may stress pa. So naging poor yung immune system natin. And with poor immune system, hindi na niya kayang labanan ang mga sakit natin. Kung magkasakit tayo, hindi niya kaya i-defend yung katawan natin. Kaya we resort to medical doctors. Supposed to be, the best natural doctor is our immune system. But hindi siya naging best doctor dahil kulang sa nutrition. With intra, naging healthy yung immune system natin. And scientists said, if your immune system is healthy, it can combat almost any kind of diseases. Kaya kami, naging first aid talaga namin ng intra for more than 20 years now. So every time meron kaming sakit, sakit sa ulo, sakit sa katawan, kahit anong sakit, instead pumunta kami ng doktor, punta na lang sa ref at inom ng intra. And most of the time naman, nawala ang sakit namin. Kaya kami, hindi talaga pwede, wala kaming intra. Kahit saan kami, dala-dala namin ito, no, yung intra. So, intra din has addressed the 8 biological system, no? Ito talaga yung pinaka-wow factor natin. Imagine, no? One product lang pero na-address yung 8 biological system natin. So hindi lang siya hiyang-hiyang. Ang hindi lang hiyang ang hindi nag-take ng product. Kaya nga confident sila nag-offer ng money back guarantee kasi it has addressed the 8 biological system. Tingnan mo yung mga vitamin C, vitamin E, ilan lang yung na-address, hindi naman lahat. So instead mag-vitamin E, vitamin C tayo, level up na lang your vitamins, mag-intra ka na. Kasi again, it's like buying 8 products with 1 product. And this chart pala is not from Lifestyles, but PubMed. PubMed is an independent study na ito yung reference materials ng mga medical professionals. Okay, so next na tayo. Ano pa ba yung mga product natin? So, second product natin is Nutria Plus. Ito yung beauty pill namin, no? Gaganda ka talaga. Grabe, mga distributors dito, nakita ko, ang ganda na nila, no? So, kaya inspired din ako na uminom ng intra kasi nakikita ko sa mga distributors at saka sa nagamit ng Nutria Plus. So, ano bang function ni Nutria? No? Ang function ng Nutria is it nourishes our cells. Body kasi natin made up of cells like hair cells, skin cells, heart cells. And as we age, nag-degenerate yung mga healthy cells natin. And dadami yung mga unhealthy cells like mga abnormal cells like aging cells, cancer cells. But with Nutria Plus, it helps regenerate healthy cells. Is regenerating healthy cells and nag-glow and nag-radiate mga cells natin. And yung mga bad cells like cancer cells, aging cells, na-prevent. So ito yung benefits ng Nutria Plus. No? So yun nga sinasabi ko, prevent cancer cell growth, tapos tissue repair and reduce inflammation. Maano din to, importante din tong reducing inflammation kasi inflammation is the beginning of serious illnesses like heart inflammation, liver inflammation. So Nutria Plus can reduce the inflammation para hindi na lalala ang sakit pa natin. Okay, so third product natin, Fiber Life. Ito naman, fiber naman to, fiber. So before eating anything, inom muna kami ng Fiber Life para yung mga excess fats, excess sugar, excess oil, feel namin absorb ni Fiber Life and diretso palabas. So hindi na siya magstay sa katawan natin, which ito naman mga unhealthy. Napaka-importante talaga ng fiber sa katawan natin. Tawag ng mga nutritionist dito, miracle nutrient, no? Miracle nutrient. Kasi siya yung broom or walis sa katawan natin. Kaya booster din ito sa intra na nag-detox din, no? So, you need to take 1 to 2 glasses of water for every capsule of Fiber Life. So, si Fiber Life, ABC lang. A is appetite control. It controls obesity. B, blood sugar level, control diabetes. And C, cholesterol, control heart disease. So, fourth product natin, pinakabago namin to, Cardio Life, no? Ang main function niya is healthy blood flow. Kasi dami mong benefits makuha pag healthy yung blood flow natin. First, it helps declog yung mga arteries natin kasi natatanggal yung mga calcium and cholesterol sa blood. So, it helps prevent stroke. And yung calcium na tinatanggal sa blood, binabalik sa bones natin. Kaya preventing osteoporosis. And lastly, with a healthy blood flow din, it gives us healthy brain. So, maganda to sa mga estudyante, no? Para hindi na sila mangopya. Okay? So, meron tayong Better Together Kit. Ito yung, if you really want na naka-overhaul yung katawan natin, naka-general cleaning tayo. Kasi, question ko, when was the last time ba have you invested to your body? And please remember ha, ang body natin is the most income-generating asset. Tapos, walang budget. No, so babawi tayo. Invest in our premium detox program, yung Bitikit namin. No, so 3-month detox program yan, 1 Bitikit per month for 3 months. Bakit 3 months? Kasi sa first month, nag-cleanse pa yan. Second month is nourish, and third month is strengthen and rebuilding our body systems. So, because experts says na if in your earlier years, meron kang mga supplements, most likely wala kang maintenance, synthetic maintenance for your high blood or arthritis or for your diabetes in your later years. So you might as well invest in supplements now na lang, di ba? So premium na premium to talaga yung Bitikit kasi lahat ng products nandito sa Bitikit. So meron siyang synergistic effect, no? Kasi nandun na lahat ng product. Kaya it provides over 250 health building properties. So inside Bitikit is 2 intra, isang cardio, isang Fiber Life, at saka isang Nutria Plus. Okay, so product quality natin, no? Grabe yung quality natin dito, no? Made in Canada nga no? So ang ano natin, ito yung product quality natin, premium yung quality natin, natural source talaga. Manufactured under the world's most stringent quality controls, regulated by Health Canada, measured by GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, and HACCP, Hazardous Analysis Critical Control Point. These are the standards for safety, purity, and sanitation. Scientifically formulated to meet your health requirements, ISO certified siya. Okay, so ito yung mga logo natin, and mga ano din tayo, di ba? GMP, My Health Canada, HACCP, then halal din tayo sa mga Muslim. Kasi pag mga supplements, isa lang yung tanong ng mga Muslim, halal ba to? Pag halal, yan, bibili na yan. At saka kosher rated tayo. Mga ano naman to, Jewish, very particular sa cleanliness yung Jewish. So, pasado din tayo. Okay, so ang tanong ngayon, magkano ba yung products natin? All good for 1 month. Each product natin good for 1 month, no? Yung Intra, Nutria. So ang Intra is 1.8, Cardio is 1.8, Nutria Plus is 1.5, Fiber Life is 1.5. And meron akong good news sa inyo, no? Kasi ang dami dito mga nagamit sa products, but hindi nila alam na pwede pala gawin ng business or mag-sign up sila for discounts. As sign up, you can get as much as 40% discount. And meron ka pang bonuses if mag-business ka. So para sa akin, wala talagang lugi, no? Walang risk. Kasi this is a health investment, no? Priceless naman yung health natin. Tapos meron pang business na kasama. So tanong, paano ba yung business? Kasi sabi nila, if the product is good, the business is done. Okay, so ito yung business natin. Kita natin yung business, yung wellness business natin. No, next slide. So ito yung business natin, wellness business. So proud ako dito dahil we are promoting good health. Now, our business is preventing diseases. Ganda niyan, di ba? And what includes wellness ba? No? So ito, kasama sa wellness is organic restaurant, mga supplements, mga spa, mga gym, healthy foods, and a lot more. And you know what? People are more into health and wellness, no? So malaki talaga market natin. Makikita natin sa sales, 'di ba? Ng industry, ng wellness industry. So in the year 2000, ang health and wellness 200 billion lang yung sales nila annually. 5 years after, nag-double, 400 billion na yung sales sa industry. And pinoproject siya na maging 1 trillion in 2010 and onwards by Paul Zane Pilzer. But you know what happened? In 2018, mas sobra pa sa 1 trillion kasi 4.5 trillion yung sales in 2018. Grabe talaga. Okay, so napakalaki yung future natin. So, question, saan ba nabibili yung product? No? So, saan mo nabili yung Intra, yung Nutria? Kasi meron akong friend na wala yung hika niya with Intra. Naghanap siya doon sa pharmacy. Of course, wala siya sa pharmacy. Wala din siya sa Ayala or SM because exclusively distributed lang siya sa mga lifestyles distributors. Kaya network marketing siya because the products are sold by network of lifestyles distributors only. So you should be part of that network before you can distribute Intra. You should be part of that network to get discounts or get free bottles. Okay, so ano ba yung network marketing? So, network marketing is just our distribution tool. Ang business namin is a distribution business with the franchising system. No? So, network marketing is, ano yan lang yan, no? Pareho lang yan ng direct selling. So, ano ba yung network marketing or direct selling? It operates like a franchise without high cost. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, no? For more than 50 years already. Who can go wrong in 50 years? Offers leveraging the secret of the rich. Ito, ano ko lang to, emphasize ko lang to kasi ito yung sikreto ng mga mayaman, di ba? The first step to get rich is to know the secret of the rich. So malaman natin ano yung sikreto nila. So leveraging yung sikreto nila. So ano ba yung leveraging? Leveraging is having supports like money support or people support to help you earn more. Napaka-importanting tool ito kasi you cannot be rich with your own 24 hours a day only. Kaya hindi ka yayaman talaga sa job or sa self-employment mo kasi ikaw lang yung nag-work. Hindi ka leverage with other people's time. But here, leverage ka with other people's time that make you earn more. So, mag-make sense ito later. Napaka-importante nito. Okay, so ano pa? Used by Fortune 500 companies, taught in business schools, and no more wholesaler and retailer. Okay, so ano pa? Next slide na tayo. So ito yung franchising system natin. No, magaling na yung products, magaling din ang business. Bakit? Dahil naka-franchise na. Meaning wala kang trial and error na. And pinaka-secret sa business, merong mag-mentor sa'yo. Meron kang consultant. Tuturuan, sasamahan ka. So ito yung franchising system natin. And ituro to once you decide to sign up. Okay. So, magkano ba yung capital dito? Of course, legit na business to. Meron talagang puhunan. So, yung investment package natin, magkano ba yung investment package natin? Actually, you can start as low as 2,000, but ipakita ko sa inyo yung packages na malaki yung profit, malaki yung ROI. So, ano ba to? First one, ito talagang pinaka-highly recommended talaga to, Instant Direct. Kasi automatic ka na, may 30% off. No? So, ang investment mo lang is 102,800. But you will get 80 Intra. So more than sa na-invest mo, ang products worth 144,000. By the way, you can use credit card or combination cash or credit card. Ang profit mo dito or savings mo, pag ininom mo lang, kasi may 9 bottles free ito, 57,400. So imagine ROI mo, ang laki, 56%. Ang laki niyan, di ba? So ang second package naman is Express Direct. Automatic bigyan ka ng 20% off. Magkano ba yung investment sa Express Direct? 59,600. Ilang products ba ma-receive mo? more than sa na-invest mo. Magkano? 72,000. 40 intra worth 72,000. Profit and savings mo kasi includes to ng 3 bottles free. Merong 3 bottles free ito. So, ang total profit and savings mo is 17,800. ROI mo is 30%. Meron na tong 1 million accident insurance, accident, or 100,000 hospital reimbursement, accident-related din. And anytime your next purchase, 40% discount ka na. Kahit 1 bottle pa yung pinapurchase mo, 40% discount ka na. And once 40%er ka na, lifetime mo nang enjoy yan. Walang quota, walang minimum purchase, basta renew mo lang yung distributorship mo. 750 pesos a year. So, magkano ba yung retail profit mo? Kasi intra is 1/8, di ba? So, savings mo to, pag ininom lang, profit mo, pag ni-retail mo, binenta mo, so 720 per bottle. Imagine, meron nga akong friend, distributor din siya ng intra, nag-school siya, so kung kulang yung pang-tuition niya, benta lang siya ng intra. Kulang, wala siyang notebook, benta siya ng intra. Wala siyang panggasolina, benta siya ng intra. So, laki talaga tulong ng retail niya. So, yan, no, moving 1 bottle a day, may 21,600 ka. Kung bitikit naman, that's 8,400 yung retail. So, meron kang profit. Imagine, 3,360 per bitikit. Tapos, in 30 days, meron kang 100,800. So, yan ang pang-retail lang, active income. Pero ang gusto natin, ito yung gusto natin, passive income. Grabe talaga to, no? Ito yung reason, no? Passive income, maraming nag-resign sa work nila because of this passive income. Ito yung paborito talaga namin, no? Parang pension mo to, passive income or your pension. Interchange ko lang gamitin to kasi mas alam natin yung pension no? Pero pension is also passive income. So, ito yung reason na kahit CPA ako, nag-intra-business. Yung husband ko, at the time, nag-intra-business, meron siyang working visa sa Amerika, pero nag-intra-business pa rin kami. Because here, hindi mo kailangan mag-work ng 40 years. Di ba? Yun ang alam natin. Start tayo at 20, tapos mag-retire tayo at 60. So, 40 years yan para magka-pension ka. Bakit ganyan? Hindi naman kailangan ganyan No, old school na yan. No? This is how I skip my 40 years of work. No, kasi yun ang normal. Pero na-skip ko yan. No? Pero instead of 40 years, excited talaga ako. No? You just work for 3 to 5 years para sa pension mo, para sa passive income mo. Bakit? Because leverage ka with other people's time. Secret ng mga mayaman yon. So how does it works? Yung passive income dito sa lifestyles. So yan, ito yan. Ikaw yan, yung green, tapos nakahanap ka ng sign up, may nag-sign up sa'yo ng Express Direct. That's 13,886 for you, manager's check. Tapos si Pink, nag-instant direct kasi gusto niya 9 bottles free, maraming bottles na libre kasi malaki yung family nila. So nag-instant direct, so meron kang 16,200. So total na manager's check mo, 30,086. Tapos bigyan ka pa sa company ng 9 bottles free. Worth dyan is 16,200. So imagine meron kang 46,286. That's your active income. Direct effort mo yan. So si A at si B, na-sign up mo to dati. No? Tapos, meron ka rin, nung nag-sign up sila, meron kang 14,000 dyan, meron kang 16,000 dyan. Pero dito, si A, gusto rin niyang maging business owner, gusto rin niya na magkaroon ng passive income, tsaka meron namang system, meron namang mentor, meron siyang 4 na sign up. Si B, merong 2 sign up. Of course, malaki yung kita ni A tsaka ni B, 14,000 each. But ikaw, meron ka ring kita kahit hindi mo direct effort yan. So magkano ba yung kita mo? 2,314 for every sign up if you qualify. 4 yan from A, so meron kang 9,256. Kay B naman, may 2 sign up, may 2-3 ka rin dyan for every sign up, meron kang 4,628. Imagine, passive income mo, hindi mo direct effort, but effort ni A tsaka ni B, meron kang 13,884. Isang total mo, active plus passive, 60,170. Ang exciting pa nito, hindi mag-stop lang kay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kasi si 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, gusto rin yan magka-passive income. They don't want to work for 40 years. Gusto nila 3 to 5 years lang, may pension na sila, may passive income na sila. Kaya may mga sign-up din sila. At tapos yung mga sign-up nila, may mga sign-up din. So lalaki yung passive income mo. Diba exciting? Grabe ka-exciting. Okay, so next slide tayo. Mas exciting to. Pakita ko sa inyo. No? So ito naman, cash flow quadrant. Ito yung pinaka-backbone ng asset building program natin. No? Alam nyo, may confession ako. Kung alam ko lang to dati, hindi ko na sinayang yung 11 years ko in my job. Kasi dito, naging klaro sa akin saan hanapin ang passive income. Hindi ako sigurado kung wala akong direction kung paano ba maging financially free kasi wala akong clue no paano gawin. Pero with the cash flow quadrant, isang page lang 'yan, pero napaka-powerful kasi mag-guide talaga sa iyo dito paano mo hanapin si passive income. I thought kasi passive income is just found in pension no, maling-mali pala. No, so ito yung revelation ni Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki is the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Napaka powerful na book na yon, no? It's an international best-selling book yun, no? So basahin niyo yon para mas maintindihan niyo yung passive income. So dalawa palang klase yung income natin, active tsaka passive income. Yung active income nasa left side of the quadrant, no? So ito naman hindi ko alam dati, no, may passive income pala kahit si pay ako. So, yung active income, mga ano yan, man at work. So, mga empleyado yan, no? Tapos, mga self-employed, may grocery ka or dentist ka. If you stop working, the income stops. Kasi man at work talaga yan. So, ang gusto natin dito pala, nakita na kung saan yung gusto natin, yung passive income. You are not working because you have assets working for you. No? Alam mo, sad story kasi ang 95% nasa active income, 5% of people lang nasa passive income. Kaya napaka-importante yung mission namin. Excited kami sa mission namin, no? We are building assets, asset builders kami, no? And we're teaching other people to be asset builders also, no? Para mas marami yung passive income earners. No, so siguro 5% lang 'yan kasi hindi rin natin alam paano gawin 'yan. Okay? So, 'yan no, with cash flow quadrant, klarong-klaro talaga no na kailangan natin mag-build ng assets for our pension para when the body gets tired or sick, we have assets working for us. Otherwise, wala tayong income, wala tayong pambayad sa kuryente, sa tubig, sa mga bills natin. 'Di ba? So, but ang problem, alam naman natin I know lahat gusto mag-build ng assets. Kaya lang ito yung problem. Ano ba yung problem? Kailangan ng millions para mag-build ng assets, 'di ba? So, yan ang problema. Pero what if sabihin ko sa inyo, merong opportunity na maka-build ka ng assets without millions. Paano? Ito yan. Sikreto ko. Sikreto natin. People assets. So, how does it work? Paano yan mag-work? So, ito yan. So, of course, mag-start sa'yo. Sign up ka. Tapos, hanap ka ng 6. Bakit 6? Actually, pwede naman isa, pwede 2. Pero 6 nilagay ko dito because you need 6 to reach the highest position of lifestyles and earn 1 million per month. So, yan ang i-target natin. Yan ang first job description mo. Hanap ng 6. Tapos may mentor sa'yo, tapos may franchising system. Tapos second job description mo, turuan mo yung 6 maghanap din ng 6. So may mentoring din yan, may franchising system din yan. So ang 6 naging 36 kasi each one find their 6. Ang 36 naging 216. Same process, 1296, 7,776. Each one finding their 6. Hanggang naging 9,330 yan. Imagine, dito ka kita sa 9,330. Yaman ka talaga. Hindi ka lang kikita sa direct effort mo na 6. Yun ang tawag natin na people leveraging. At kahit 20% lang sa 9,330 ang mag-build ng business, meaning 3 bitikit lang each ang ibilhin nila each month. Alam mo magkano yung kitain mo? because leverage na leverage ka. Hindi ka lang kikita again sa 6 but 9,330 or in this case 1,866. Magkano yung ano mo, kitain mo? 1.5 million month after month after month, di ba? Grabe, no? Ang laki. Leverage na leverage ka with other people's time. And yan ang mga sikreto ng mga mayaman. Leveraging na naging sikreto mo na rin. No? So, tingnan mo ngayon. Challenge ko sa inyo. Tingnan mo if leverage ka ba sa ginagawa mo. If not, alam mo, sad to say, forever kulang talaga yan ang kita natin kung hindi ka na leverage. Okay? So, next slide na tayo. No? So, be an investor, let assets work hard for you. So, meron na tayong paper asset at real estate asset. Ito yung phase 2 of the asset building program. No? Build assets, paper assets, and real estate assets. Alam mo, sa asset building program, phase 1 lang talaga ang mahirap because you have to change your mindset and attitude to grow your business. Akala ko dati, ano lang to benta-benta. Hindi pala. You have to grow your mindset. Kaya grabe ang mentoring and training dito to change our mindset. And if meron ka ng nag-grow na yung business mo, tsaka meron ka ng seed money from phase 1, mag-phase 2 na tayo. Build assets. Yan, no? Paper assets tsaka real estate assets. Tapos, once you have the assets na, meron ka ng passive income. And you are free. Madali lang tong phase 2 tsaka phase 3, no? Ang phase 3, financial freedom, yun ang final destination natin sa asset building program. Ito yung phase 3 natin. Okay? So, yan ang asset building program, building assets, creating freedom using the asset building program. And to know more about it, no, meron tayong, as sinabi ko kanina, merong asset building program na booklet. You can buy that at Amazon or you can get it for free sa website natin. Okay, so ito yung story ko. No, so of course, no, ang story ko, nag-start ito sa March 2000. No, nakita ko yung boss ko, hindi naman yung mayaman. At saka burnout talaga ako sa work, no? Manager kasi ako burnout ako. So, alam mo, I know it was scary talaga. It was leap of faith na mag-resign ako. Tapos dami ko pang utang, maliliit pa yung mga bata, nag-school pa sila. Pero nag-resign talaga ako. So, true enough, nangyari, wala akong pangbayad sa tuition sa grade 1 na anak ko. No? So, what I did, pumunta ako ng Amerika. Nung nandun ako, 2 months lang ako doon. Na homesick ako, so bumalik ako sa Pilipinas. Jobless until na-receive ko yung letter sa Pag-ibig na i-foreclose yung bahay ko. So, out of panic, no, out of desperation, bumalik ako sa work as finance manager. Pero alam nyo, anong nangyari? In the morning, nag-report ako after orientation, after lunch, hindi na ako bumalik. Sabi ko, ano kayang gawin ko? Ayaw ko na talagang magtrabaho, but I need to have money. So, ang ginawa ko, sabi ko, gusto ko business, pero I've tried na rin pharmacy, grocery, poultry, walang nangyari. Pero gusto ko pa rin ang business na maliit yung capital. So nakita ko naman, ang intra, magaling talaga siya kasi yung husband ko, nawala yung allergic rhinitis niya. Tapos yung UTI ko, tsaka tonsillitis, nawala din. Tapos maliit din yung puhunan niya. So tinatry ko, sabi ko kung hindi ko mabenta to, di inumin ko, gamit naman kami sa product So meron naman tayong mag-mentor dito, nagpa-mentor ako, nagpaturo ako, sinamahan ako, tinulungan ako, tinuruan ako. So yan, no? Kasi magaling talaga yung product and sinasabi ko lang, kinikwento ko lang yung allergic rhinitis ng husband ko. Alam mo anong nangyari? Ang galing. To cut the long story short, in less than a year, na fully paid yung bahay ko na supposed to be 15 years bayaran. Bakit? Kasi leverage ka, no? Using other people's time, no? And yun, no, sa ladder of success natin, 2 months ako naging direct distributor. Bakit 2 months? Kasi wala akong 60,000 or 103,000 Kung sana, no, fast track talaga kung mag 60,000, 103,000 ka. Kasi 1 day lang, direct distributor ka na. Ako, 10,000 ako nag-start. So 2 months ako naging direct distributor. No? So 3 months, regional director. First check ko pala, 19,600. Nung nag-regional director ako, 69,000. Tapos 4 months doing the business, executive director. No, check ko noon, 85,000. 7 months, national marketing director. Check ko noon, 200,000. Tapos 10 months, international marketing director. Check ko noon, 500,000. And 33 months or less than 3 years, naging global marketing director ako. So 7-digit income per month. No, grabe talaga. Kasi, bakit? Leverage ka. 'Di ba? So, napaka-importante talaga na leverage ka. So ngayon, meron na akong mga houses for rent, no? Tapos of course, meron akong economy hotel, meron akong mga residences for rent, meron akong mga paper assets, no? Tapos yung anak ko na, 'di ba, nung nag-grade 1, nag-borrow ako ng money, but ngayon nag-abroad na siya, doon siya nakagraduate, no? Grabe, ang daming travels. Tapos 8 times kaming palipat-lipat dati ng bahay. Ngayon, meron ng in 3 years lang sa business, meron ng pool yung bahay namin, no, 6 bedrooms, 7 CR. So, grabe talaga. I have now assets working for me. No, I have built my assets using the asset building program. At saka naging mission na namin to. No, we are asset builders and we are teaching other people to do the same. Okay? So, pinaka-message ko lang dito, tapos na ako, you got to have financial plan to be financially free. Kasi it does not happen by accident, but with a plan. Kasi all your productive years, asset lang ng boss mo ang binibuild mo. But alam mo, disposable asset ka lang nila. No, ako dati, nung nag-work pa ako, I was able to save millions for the company as Roland manager. But nung hindi na ako nag-fit sa mga plano nila, sa direction nila, pina-far out ako. Umiyak ako, no? But para hindi mangyari sa iyo 'yan, you got to build your own assets. 'Yun ang ginawa ko. And here, no, ito talaga dito, we're not just selling Intra. No, Intra, ano lang 'yan, is just a vehicle for our seed money, no, for our phase 1. Because the real deal here is creating freedom for you and for your family with the asset building program. And if mag-join ka sa amin, you will be part of the asset builders community with a common goal of building assets and be free. Okay, so tapos na ako. So thank you and God bless us all.